This is Latitude 7440. Comes in a black box like this. Today I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to talk about its quirks and features. Stay tuned. We got this kind of box, some protection, laptop over here, looks nice, carbon, manual, and here we have charger. They'll charge us 65 watt USB-C kind of charger. Let's take a look at the laptop. Very nice and smooth design. I really like it. We have here USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and this thing against theft, Kensington lock. Okay, this USB-C is actually Thunderbolt 4, and on this side we have another Thunderbolt and headphone input. Okay, no RJ45. This is 14-inch model. It is very light. Okay, let's open it. Intel vPro i5. This comes with i5, a little bit better i5 than the basic one that comes in basic laptops. Very nice and smooth material. ClickPad, that's okay. We have camera shutter here, and we have like a bunch of things over here, so it's a good camera. I have like 3-4 circles here and this kind of thing, so I believe it's a flash. It's a good camera. It's a good camera, okay? No numeric buttons. That's because it's 14-inch. Numeric buttons are usually on 15 or 16 or 17 inches. You choose the language first. English, Espanol, ¿Cómo estás, amigo? Sí. Francés. Okay. Let's look at the buttons. The design kind of reminds me a little bit of ThinkPads, okay, and the materials of the buttons, a little bit like ThinkPads. It is a good material everywhere, even on the bottom, feels like better kind of plastic. It's a Latitude after all. Latitudes are premium laptops, okay. It's average resistance on buttons. Feels good quality. Let me try to type in something. Blah, 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 blah. I think it's okay, but not the best for my taste. You gotta choose what's best for you, okay? Everybody likes it different. Someone likes huge resistance and like 1/2 inch pressing of the buttons. Some people like just like barely touching them, you know? Everybody's different. We have backlit keyboard, obviously. Everything lights up, okay? This one comes with 16 gig of RAM. Right now, I recommend everybody to have 16 gig of RAM or more if you want, but 8 gig, it's something that was good for Windows 7, maybe Windows 10, Windows 11 now. You gotta have 16 gig of RAM. I really like this. It's like very nice and smooth. Feels good on my skin. Very nice. What can I say about this Latitude and overall all the Latitudes? If you buy them when they are on a big sale. Don't buy them when they're like full price, like $1,500. Buy this one when it's more than 50% off. Then it can be a good deal. You don't want to buy some basic, crappy, like cheap plastic laptop. You want Latitude, you have to buy it on a huge discount. A bit closer look over here. It's all a matter of price, if this is good or not good for you.
It's a nice
We
laptop.
compare it to something like HP EliteBook or some Lenovo ThinkPads around that price. I would say I like this one more, to be honest with you. Definitely more than EliteBooks. EliteBooks are too conservative, too boring for me. This one, this one feels like more like nice and smooth, and I like the carbon thing. It's really light. Thank you very much for watching.